Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Section 8.4, customizing the ribbon. A couple things you need to know beforehand. Now, built in 2007, the Excel ribbon is just your guide, the tool you're going to use to navigate from point A to point B throughout your worksheet. Posted initially at the top of your worksheet in your workbook, you can adjust it, you can move it. The tabs at the top are the file tab, the home tab, the insert tab, the page layout tab, and so on and so forth. And when you add a specialized feature, for example, if you want to insert a table, you're going to have a new icon show up. If you add a pivot table, you'll have a new icon show up or a new tab. Now, there are a number of options that don't show up, or tabs that don't show up in the ribbon that will show up in the quick access toolbar. So investigate if there's something you need. If you're scratching your head going, I don't see that feature within the ribbon, go to the quick access toolbar and add it to the quick access toolbar. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.